I planted this turmeric here about 12 months ago now, and in my so-called warm temperate climate, they've done really well. They take a very long time to start. Like I'll plant again in another couple of weeks, and I'll make another video on that. But they'll sit there, it'll be, I can't remember now, late October, November, before you start to see any signs of growth. But then once the weather warms up and you get plenty of water into them, away they go. Normally I would wait until these leaves have died right down till they're nice and brown and crispy. Mainly because as they die down, the corm in the ground is sucking what's left in the leaves and that back down into its corm, so it can rest for winter and get ready for spring. But we had a heavy frost go through here last week, and it's pretty much ended them a little bit early. It's probably only 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks early. But I don't think that's going to matter. And it's probably one of the easiest jobs you'll do. All I need to do is scrape this mulch back out of the way, stick the fork under, oh, it's going to make a liar out of me. It's a little bit harder. Hopefully that's because there's a nice big clump underneath there to come up. Oh, there we go. And little turmerics everywhere. Just, I'll double check in here that there's not more to it. What? Actually, I must have been under the root of a tree, because it shouldn't have been that hard to dig up. There's a few more there. There is. Yeah. Oh, okay. I see it now. Yep. Probably that big bottle tree there. So I had the fork stuck under the root of the tree, and normally they're not that hard. Right. What happens next is simply I just need to wash that dirt off of those. I will lay them out in a sunny, not a sunny area. I've got a table down there that's underneath a tree which is deciduous right now. So I'll leave them there for a day or two until they dry right out. And then I can store them inside in a cool, dark, cool place. That's it. Harvesting turmeric. And yes, it does grow. The only thing I have never had, I've seen lots of videos of turmeric grown in warmer climates, and they always get a flower, which is quite an attractive flower. I've never had a flower, so I'm guessing my season isn't long enough for these guys to produce a flower, but they will produce little turmeric corms. A great anti-inflammatory, and when you're getting up around my age with the creaky knees and stuff, a little turmeric and ginger smoothie is a great way to start the day. Anyway, that's it. I'll come back in a couple of weeks. I'll dig the rest of these out. I've got a couple more clumps there. Dig them out, we'll come back and I'll pick out what I think is going to be good to go back into the soil, and we'll plant those, and I'll show you how I go about that, which is again pretty simple. But anyhow, turmeric in a warm temperate climate. They call us warm, but I think we get really hot summers. I guess we're not a cold winter either. I mean, it's not like we get snow and stuff, so warm temperate they call us. Not a problem. Cheers, thanks for watching. Bye for now.